Criminology perspective. Criminology is a body of knowledge regarding delinquency and crime as a social phenomenon. It may also refer to the study of crimes and criminals in the attempt of analyzing scientifically their causes, criminal etiology, and control and the treatment of criminals and correction. Criminology is a multidisciplinary study of crimes. This means that many disciplines are involved in the collection of knowledge about criminal activity, including psychology, sociology, anthropology, biology, neurology, political science, and economics. Principal divisions of criminology. Criminal etiology. It is the study of the causes of crimes. Sociology of law. Study the effort of the society to prevent crimes and repress criminals. Penology. Study the punishment attached to every crime as a means of social control. Victimology. Study of an individual who somehow becomes a party in crime commissions and a victim of his own violation. Branches of criminology. First, criminal psychology. Study of human behavior in relation to crime. Second, criminal anthropology. Study of crime in relation to physical makeup of a person. Third, criminal demography. Study of crime in relation to population. Fourth, criminal ecology. Study of crime in relation to environment. Fifth, criminal psychiatry. Study of crime in relation to etiology or cause of abnormalities. Sixth, criminal epidemiology, the study of crime in relation to weather or temperature. Sociological criminology, the study of crime focused on the group of people in society as a whole. It is primarily based on the examination of the relationship of demographic and group variables to crime. Variables such as socioeconomic status, interpersonal relationships, age, race, gender, and cultural groups are probed in relation criminal action such as time, place, and circumstances surrounding the crime. Psychological criminology. It is the science of behavior and mental processes of the criminal. It is focused on the individual criminal behavior, how it is acquired, evoked, maintained, and modified. Both environmental and personality influences are considered, along with the mental processes that mediate the behavior. Psychiatry criminology, the science that deals with the study of crime through forensic psychiatry. The study of criminal behavior in terms of motives and drives that strongly relies on the individual. Psychoanalytic theory, Sigmund Freud, traditional view. It also explains that criminals are acting out of uncontrollable animalistic, unconscious, or biological urges, modern view. Critical criminology, analysis on crime and the nature of social injustice and inequalities. Applied criminology, focuses more on the processes seen in the justice system. Experimental criminology, focuses at random selection of social issues directed to evidence-based crime and justice policy. Comparative criminology, explain the differences and similarities to understand crime patterns and trends. Convict criminology, the study is more on the efforts to reform jails, prisons, and other correctional facilities. Green criminology, analysis of crimes involving a variety of environmental concerns with link to criminal activities. Biosocial criminology is an interdisciplinary field that aims to explain crime and antisocial behavior by exploring biocultural factors. Conflict criminology asserts that crime is unavoidable in capitalist societies. The proponents of conflict criminology argue that in every society there are certain groups who becomes marginalized and unequal. Critical criminology is a theoretical perspective in criminology which focuses on challenging traditional understandings and uncovering false beliefs about crime and criminal justice, often but not exclusively by taking a conflict perspective such as Marxism, feminism, political economy theory, or critical theory. Radical criminology is a conflict ideology which bases its perspectives on crime and law in the belief that capitalist societies precipitate and define crime as the owners of the means of production use their power to enact laws that will control the working class and repress threats to the power of the ruling class. Criminological classification of crime. First, acquisitive crime, one which when committed, the offender acquires something as a consequence of his criminal act. Second, extinctive crime, when the result of crime is destruction. Third, seasonal crime are those that are committed only at a certain period of the year. Fourth, situational crime are those that are committed when given a situation conducive. It is episodic crime are serial crimes. They are committed by series of acts within a lengthy space of time. Instant crime are those that are committed the shortest possible time. Static crime are crimes that are committed only in one place. Continuing crime are crimes that are committed in several places. Rational crime are those that are committed with intent. Offender is in full possession of his mental faculties. Irrational crime are committed without intent. Offender does not know the nature of his act. White-collar crime. Crimes are those committed by a person of responsibility and upper socio-economic class in the course of their occupational activities. Blue-collar crime are those committed by ordinary professionals to maintain their livelihood. Upper world crime are those committed by individuals belonging to upper-class society. Underworld crime are committed by members of the lower or underprivileged class of the society. Crimes by imitation are committed by merely duplication of what was done by others. Crimes by passion are crimes committed because of the fit of great emotions. Service crimes, crimes committed through rendition of a service to satisfy desire to another. Criminological classification of criminals. Acute criminals, one who violates a criminal because of the impulse or fit of passion. They commit passionate crimes. Chronic criminals, one who commits crime acted in consonance of deliberate thinking. He plans ahead of time. Ordinary criminals, the lowest form of criminal in a criminal career. He doesn't stick to crime due to great opportunity. Organized criminals, one who associates himself with other criminals to earn a high degree of organization to enable them to commit crimes easily without being detected by authorities. Professional criminals, a person who is engaged in criminal activities with high degree of skill. He is usually one who practices crime as a profession to maintain a living. Accidental criminals, those who commit crime when the situation is conducive to its commission. Habitual criminals are criminals who committed a crime and after conviction committed another crime which embrace a different title of a crime under the revised penal code. Recidivist criminals are criminals who committed a crime and after conviction committed another crime which embrace in the same title of a crime under the revised penal code. Active aggressive criminals, those who commit crimes due to aggressiveness. Passive inadequate criminals, those who commit crimes because they are pushed to it by reward or promise. Socialized delinquents, criminals who are normal in behavior but defective in their socialization process or development. Classification of criminals according to Dr. Cesar Lombroso based on positivist theory. Born criminals. There are born criminals according to Lombroso, the belief that being criminal behavior is inherited. Criminal by passion. Those individuals who are easily influenced by great emotions like fear or anger. Insane criminals. Those who commit crime due to abnormalities or psychological disorders, they should be exempted from criminal liability. Criminaloids. Person who commit crimes due to less physical stamina or self-control. Occasional criminals. Those who commit crime due to insignificant reasons that push them to do at a given occasion. Pseudo-criminals. Those who kill in self-defense.